Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back. Today is the 2nd of March. It's a Monday, which means I'm fixing to get a whole new week of meals started today. I have been running around doing errands all day. I went and got my nails done, toenails done. I went to Sam's. I had to go get my kiddos from school. I had to go get my dogs from the vet. They all got bathed up and, smelling good and everything. Since I went to Sam's, I picked up some hamburger patties. And they're already thawed out, so that's what we're having for dinner tonight. It wasn't on the menu. We didn't plan for this. They were just thawed out, and I'm short on time. It's already like 6. It is 6:26, and it is what it is. We're having burgers tonight. Also, I had grabbed one of these big things of buns. We're already good on French fries. They're out in the freezer. So, yeah, let me stop rambling. Let's whip up some burgers. Now, the pre-made patties are not necessarily my favorite, but they were on sale. I got 8 patties for like $14. I don't know if that's a good deal. I felt like it was a good deal. So I don't necessarily like them pre-made because you can't get the seasoning mixed all into the meat. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with my favorite steak seasoning. Y'all know I use this on just about everything. Let me flip this over. I use this on just about everything that I cook. I'm just gonna try. I probably should have put some gloves on, but oh well. Let me try and, ooh, that might be too much. Oh, these might be really salty. Okay. They're falling apart on me. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of minced onion to the top and kind of mash it in. You tired, Daisy? You have a hard day at the dog spa. My dog is laying right over here and she's just like stretched out on the floor. Anyways, okay, I'm gonna get these minced onion just kind of mashed in here real good. Since they're already thawed out, I'm gonna go ahead and throw them on the stove. Steven is not even home yet from the gym, but I'm ready to call it a day. I've already got my skillet heated up, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these with the seasoning side down. They started kind of falling apart whenever I move them around, so I'm hoping that they will stay together long enough so they'll cook whole. Oh, is only 3 gonna fit? I'm gonna squeeze 4 in here. It's already smelling so good in here. Patties are almost done. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the buns. One of the best life hacks that I ever learned on TikTok was put the butter in the pan, not on the bread. Burgers are done. We've got pepper jack cheese, regular cheese. Actually, this is regular Kraft and this is like Colby Jack. French fries, I'm going to slice up a tomato. And I don't have any like regular jar pickles, so I'm gonna use some of these and see how that tastes. Hey y'all, what's up? Today is the 4th of March and I'm about to get some dinner started. I was just on the phone with my husband and I needed to go ahead and get stuff started. So I've got ground beef cooking already with all my normal seasonings. Tonight we're having lasagna. Also, I've got you propped up on a jar of ragu, and then I found this loaf of bread at Walmart on sale for 81 cents. So I grabbed like 5 of these, but they're already cut up. So all I have to do is make some garlic butter, and that is dinner for tonight. Very easy, very much kid approved, husband approved. All the things. Everyone likes it. I've taken it to gatherings before. Everyone always raves about how delicious my lasagna is. So yeah, enough rambling. Let's get to cooking. Sauce is already mixed in and it's come to a boil. I keep stirring it so it's not going to stick on the bottom. And then my pasta had come to a boil and then I put the noodles in and then it stopped boiling. So retarded?
Why did you? So see you tomorrow. I only had one other crush in my life. Leaving the actual world and entering global. I'm on a child once a week. So I guess I'm cross multiplying. I thought you. Yeah.
Please, you participate, Matt. Let me give you my card.
That's social suicide. Damn, you're so much. Can I get a piece of bread? This is your room. I'm not taking the rest of the yard.
Okay, sorry, I didn't share with you any of the rest. I was on the phone with my husband. He is working out of town right now. So anyway, so here's the lasagna. I didn't let it like set up. My house smells amazing, by the way. Here's the homemade garlic bread. Dinner is served.
That is not what it is. Oh wow, that baby just went on the car.
Little handheld breakfast, kind of like sandwiches, but not quite a sandwich. First time making this, I'm gonna try it and let you know how it goes. Here we go. Mmm. That is so good. Okay. You have to try this. It's delicious. Hey y'all, what's up? Today is the 7th. I'm about to get some dinner started. It's about noon, and we're gonna be having pulled pork sandwiches. Okay, I've got my pork shoulder washed. I'm just going to pat it dry with a paper towel. I'm gonna use mustard as my binder. Don't worry, it doesn't make your food taste like mustard. That's what I thought the first time I saw this, but it really doesn't. Get it all worked in. And of course I'm wearing gloves. I've done this once without wearing gloves and I could not get all of the mustard smell out of my hands for like 2 days. It was pretty gross. Fresh, clean gloves. I'm gonna put my pork over in my crock pot and go in with seasonings, salt, black pepper. And if you notice I didn't add a ton of salt, that's because I'm gonna be using the steak seasoning. This really has a ton of salt in it. Garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, chili powder, just a little bit. I've accidentally put too much chili powder before and it made it taste like chili, and that's not what I'm going for. And of course, you can't have pulled pork sandwiches without cayenne. I like a little extra spice. Mix it in. Any little weird spots like this where it kind of breaks apart, be sure to rub the seasonings in there as well. I'm gonna add a little splish splash of Wash Your Sister sauce and some A1. Some Sweet Baby Ray's, the original, not the honey. I am completely out of broth, so I'm gonna go in with 5 chicken bouillon and 5 beef bouillon. Beef and chicken. 2 cups of water. I'm gonna cover it and put it on high and cook it for probably 4-5 hours. We'll see you in a few hours. Here is what the pulled pork looks like after I have blended or shredded the pork. I did add a little more cayenne, but that's just because it wasn't quite spicy enough for my liking. You don't have to do that if you don't want. Also, I did add another little squig of barbecue sauce, again, just for flavor purposes, but that's what it looks like. Here is a sandwich, and then here is my husband's plate.